Hello and welcome to this first video tutorial of how to set up and use KDP Uploader automation tool. So how to install KDP Uploader? First of all, go to Chrome Web Store website. Then, search for KDP Uploader and add it to your Chrome browser. Finally, pin the KDP Chrome extension like the images below. The KDP Uploader icon should appear now. Click on the icon. The login page will appear. If you don't have yet an account, click on the subscribe button and follow the sign-up process. Otherwise, enter your credentials and hit the login button. In order to launch your first upload automation using the KDP Uploader tool, you have to do some setups in the following order. Firstly, choose the type of book you want to upload between ebooks, paperbacks and hardcover. Secondly, upload your KDP Excel sheet. Thirdly, upload all manuscript files used in the Excel sheet. Fourth, upload all the cover file used in the Excel sheet. Finally, choose if you want the tool to save as draft or publish your books and the number of parallel uploads. Congratulations! You are now ready to use KDP Uploader.